Hey dolls, Kristy and Sabrina here, and we are going to show you a clean, polished look that you can achieve in under 10 minutes using 6 of our Doll 10 products. So Sabrina is like our no-nonsense doll, so she comes into work very like clean face, fresh face, doesn't wear a lot of makeup, but on occasion she has to go travel to New York for meetings, has a lunch meeting, so she just wants to add a little makeup to make herself feel more put together. So this is the look that I created for her today, and we're going to start with the Hydro Bomb Stick Foundation. And the reason I love this for Sabrina is because her skin is a little dry. She has a little bit of surface dryness. So the Hydro Bomb Stick is great for people with dry skin, combination skin. It gives a really nice dewy finish. So we're going to put this on one side of her face. And she came in just with like moisturizer on today, so she's nice and fresh face like normal. The Hydro Bomb also has anti-aging peptides, which help with collagen and elastin to produce like firmness and elasticity, plumpness in the skin. Have you used this product before?
Yeah, I use this one every day.
Good.
Except today, because I couldn't.
And you can see this gives like a really nice, like light to medium coverage. Turn towards me just a little. And especially with the winter coming and everybody's skin is getting a little bit drier, this is such a great foundation to use, just to put some of that moisture back in. Close your eyes. We'll put a little on top of the lid, a little underneath her eye, just to blend it all out. Perfect. I love this product because it's 3 pieces in one. So you have the pencil to line, define, you have a powder to fill in any sparseness, and a gel to keep the hairs in place. So what we're gonna do is map out Sabrina's brows, and you start in the inner corner of your nose, go straight up and make a mark. And it's okay if you don't have hair there, because this is just what we're going to show you the perfect brow for your face. So we're mapping it out according to your facial features. And from the outer corner of your nose through the pupil of your eye, you make another mark. And that's where your brow should arch. And then from the outer corner of your nose through the outer corner of your eye is where your brow should end. So you can see we have a starting point, an arch, and an end. And do you know what we say about brows?
What?
They're sisters, not twins, so it's okay if they don't match. So what I'm gonna do now is just kind of lightly pull, and when you're doing this at home, you never wanna pull here, because that's gonna give you an arch, like more of like a circle, and we don't want like the golden arches for your eyebrows. We want like a really nice straight line. So you're always gonna pull from like right at the point of the arch, and then we're gonna just make a line. Lots of nice little strokes. You are lucky, you've got great brows.
Thank you.
Do you tweeze them, wax them?
I'm not gonna lie, I literally do nothing.
I'm not surprised. Blessed. Okay, so then we're going to use the powder to fill in any sparseness. You can just start. I wouldn't start at the very beginning of the brow. I would start like closer to the arch to apply the powder, and then go downward. You can even go backwards through the hairs to apply to any sparseness. So it's just going to create a fuller looking brow. Do a little at the front when you don't have as much product on. And then we're going to finish with the gel. And this will keep all the hairs in place, giving a little bit more color and definition. So you can see from right here, just the angle that we made with that straight line gives Sabrina just like her eye looks a little more wide, a little more awake, a little more open on that side of her face. So now, this is one of my favorites, the cheek stamp. I love this product. It's very multifunctional. You can use it on your lips, your cheeks, So we're gonna do a couple little dabs. And then we're going to add the H2 Glow in liquid in champagne. And this product I love as well. It comes in champagne, which we're gonna use on Sabrina, and it also comes in moonlit, which is a nice golden color. And highlighting is where it's at for 2019 because all of the spring runway shows for 2019 are showing a whole lot more like highlight, kind of getting away a little bit more from the contouring all the time. And this product's awesome because you can use it alone, so just over your moisturizer. You can mix it with your foundation, or you could just dab it where you want the highlight. So on the top of your cheekbone, under your brow, down the bridge of your nose, anywhere you want that little highlight to be. Perfect. So now apply it to your lips as well.
I hate lip stuff, but I actually love this. It's so easy to use, like lipstick, and then you're done.
And it's nice because it doesn't dry to a real powder finish. Like it stays on. You can always throw a gloss over top of it if you want. But yeah, I love it with that. And you can throw it in your bag and just use it like throughout the day. All right, so now we're gonna finish up some eye makeup. So we're just gonna use 3 colors. We're gonna go with the Pro palette, and we're gonna use Quartz as a wash all over Sabrina's lid. So we're just gonna put this all over to make the lid all one color so we can apply the other 2 and they pop a little bit more. And then I'm gonna use this purple color, Goddess, and we're gonna go in the crease with that one. So you just want to cut it right into the crease, back and forth, a lot of blending. Create a little depth in the eye. And then we're just going to end with pink, the Loyal color, right on her lid. So this is almost like a really nice like daytime smoky, light smoky eye. Great, and then we're just going to finish up with some mascara. Okay, so look right down here. I love Effort Lash. This is like my go-to mascara. I have one at home, one in my bag. I love the way that it like lengthens and separates your eyelashes. All right, great. So when you actually step away and take a look at both sides of Sabrina's face, we can see how this side is a lot more even in texture, in tone. So, you know, she still has some redness going on over here. So the Hydro Bomb Stick Foundation really evened out her skin tone, made it look really nice and dewy. And you can find all the products that we used in Sabrina's look down below. Thanks, dolls.
Bye.
Bye.